Welcome to release question 157 for CAHSEE Math. It says, what additional information is needed to find the area of parallelogram ABCD? So here's parallelogram ABCD up here, and it also tells you what the formula is for that. So the area of a parallelogram, it's the same as a rectangle. Think of taking this triangle right here, cutting it out, and putting it right here. And if you think of it like that, you'd have a rectangle. That's why it's the same formula. That's why it's base times height. But what is that going to be? What do we need? This, the base and the height, these are always perpendicular to each other. So think of that. These are always perpendicular to each other. So with that in mind, look at the picture. Let's decide what we need from there. These are always perpendicular to each other. We've got this 13. And then it's a parallelogram, so we could add this kind of stuff in here. Let's put some arrows here. That means that one's parallel to that one. It means this one's parallel to this one. If this is perpendicular here, it's also going to be perpendicular here. Since these are parallel, that has to be the case. So that's going to be perpendicular right there. We would need to know this part. This right here is my H. That is the same thing as the length of BE. So number 157, to be able to figure out the area of this. This is not the height. Just like you don't measure yourself on a slant, you don't put the ruler on a slant, you put the ruler straight up and down, perpendicular to the ground. Do the same thing with parallelograms or any shapes for that matter to find their height, straight up and down, perpendicular to the base. So 13 times whatever this is would give you your answer. Choice C it is for 157.